Hi, I'm Yash Lahoti. I graduated from the University of Pennsylvania with a bachelor's degree in biomedical engineering and a master's degree in electrical engineering. I worked as a machine learning engineer at a startup during my gap year before joining Icahn School of Medicine at Mount Sinai as a first-year medical student.
My name is Alex Joe, and I also graduated from the University of Pennsylvania with a bachelor's and master's degree in physics. After graduation, I worked for 2 years in management consulting before medical school, and I'm currently a first-year medical student here at the Icahn School of Medicine at Mount Sinai.
Hi, I'm Jake Desmond. I recently graduated from Johns Hopkins University with a bachelor's and master's degree in biomedical engineering. There, I focused in computational medicine and biomedical data science. Now, I'm a first year med student at the Icahn School of Medicine at Mount Sinai.
And I'm Pete Campbell. I graduated from West Point and served in the military for 10 years, most recently as a Green Beret commander. I led both small special operations teams as well as a large 180-person unit, where I gained a great deal of leadership experience. I'm now a second-year medical student alongside Jake, Yash, and Alex, and we're working with Dr. Chowdhury, a preeminent neurosurgeon here at Mount Sinai. So we're SpineSight. We're developing a solution to help patients with certain spinal diseases get treatment earlier. The problem we've identified is that accurately diagnosing these diseases often takes months and sometimes years, during which relatively mild symptoms of numbness and tingling in the extremities can progress to dropping objects, cause falls, and even lead to paralysis. This delay in diagnosis leads to increased downstream healthcare costs to patients, hospital systems, payers, and the healthcare system in general. It also leads to inefficient allocation of scarce medical resources, clinicians' time, and ultimately to worse patient outcomes.
Our platform will give clinicians the additional information they need to improve the diagnosis and care of patients with spinal disease. These novel machine learning pipelines and datasets will allow this technology to generate critical information to help physicians understand their patients' disease states based on past data, their current data, and predict where they'll be in the future. We've made significant technical progress towards building this system in just the past 4 months, having already developed initial computational models.
Our solution generates value by streamlining and enhancing the treatment workflow. The average patient with these particular diseases sees multiple providers over years before surgical consultation and proper diagnosis. By providing early patient screening and progression prediction, we identify the best surgical candidates before symptoms progress. This is made possible by the novel clinical metrics we have designed in collaboration with neurosurgeons and neuroradiologists to better understand disease progression. By treating patients earlier, both hospitals and patients can avoid downstream healthcare costs.
The Mount Sinai Innovation Partners Pitch Challenge was a great experience because it really forced us to critically examine and refine our business proposition. It was also wonderful to hear about all the different ideas being developed here at Mount Sinai, and we're incredibly excited to be part of such a vibrant innovation ecosystem. With this funding, we plan to further our current technical development, as well as conduct additional business analyses in order to prove out our value proposition and business model. With the support and resources of the Mount Sinai Innovation Partners, we'll be better positioned to seek future funding as we scale out and continue building our product and our team. We're SpineSight, and we deliver spinal insights in seconds.